Great, well, hopefully this has worked this time. Sorry if there are any technical difficulties. My name is Charlotte Brosnan, and it's my pleasure to welcome you back to the Voices Foundation's virtual singing assembly. I hope you had a lovely Easter, and we're really happy to have you back with us. Remember, you can join us from wherever you are, whether you're by yourself or have your whole family with you. Right, let's get started. We need to wake up and energise our bodies. So we're going to do the funky chicken, which I did with you the other week. So we shake one arm 8 times, the other arm 8 times, one leg 8 times, the other leg 8 times. Then we do it 4 times, twice, once, and then we do a big star jump and shout funky chicken. So let's see how we do. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Funky chicken. Very good. I hope you didn't manage to fall over. So let's give our heads a rub. And our foreheads and our cheeks, making sure everything's nice and relaxed before we start singing. Take one finger and rub your top lip, and your other finger and rub your bottom lip, and both fingers, and stick your tongue out as far as it will go. Very good. And one more time. Wow, I think I saw some people's lunch. Very, very good. Now, make sure we're standing well and ready to sing. You just feel nice and free. Now, I want you to pretend you're on a motorbike, and we're going to make a few sounds. So I just want you to copy what I do. Very nice. Now, I want you to make the sound So it's like the NG at the end of sing or bring. So the NG sound. And I'm going to show you what this sounds like. So it goes like this. Can you have a go? Off you go. Very nice. You think you can go even lower and even higher? Let's see. Lovely. Now this time, I want you to follow my hand. Ready? Well done. Now you can practice that at home, and you can pretend to be me, you can pretend to be the conductor and conduct whoever's at home with you. Now, we're going to recap a little exercise we did a couple of weeks ago where we sang 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. You might remember it. If you weren't with us, you'll pick it up really quickly. So let's sing from 1 to 8, just normally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So here's our starting note. 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lovely. Now we add on a number each time and go back down to 1. I'll quickly show you. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, all the way up to 8. Let's see how we do. Nice and steady. 1, off we go. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Hopefully that didn't confuse your brain too much. Now, like last time, we're going to take out number 3. We're going to clap, and 3 goes into our thinking voices, but we clap on it. So it will look like this. I'll show you first. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1. Hopefully you've got that. Let's go all the way up to 8. Off we go. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Well done. Hopefully you got that. Now, we're going to make it even more complicated. The final thing we're going to do before we go on to our songs, we're going to take out number 5 as well. So we've got a clap on 3 and we're going to have a stamp on 5. We're going to take it really steady. Let's see how it goes. Off we go. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 6, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 6, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 4, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, that requires so much concentration. Brilliant. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to recap the song I did with you probably about 2 weeks ago now, and that was I Want to Sing, Sing, Sing. If you don't remember it, don't worry, we're going to sing it. I'm going to sing it a couple of times, so just join in with me. So, I want to sing. 1, 2, 3. I want to sing, sing, sing. I want to dance, dance, dance. I want to sing, I want to dance, hallelujah. When the gates are open wide, I'll be standing by your side. I want to sing, I want to dance, hallelujah. And again, I want to sing, sing, sing. I want to dance, dance, dance. I want to sing, I want to dance, hallelujah. When the gates are open wide, I'll be standing by your side. I want to sing, I want to dance, hallelujah. How did you do? Did you remember that? If you don't know it, just join in, just have a go. And if you want to just do the dance moves, you can do that. And remember, you can make up your own dance moves. You don't have to copy mine. So I told you last time there are a couple of other songs that go with this. So we're going to try and learn both songs today. I'm sure we can do it. So the first one, you might already know already. This is Oh When the Saints Go Marching In. I'm going to sing it to you. If you know it, join in. If not, I will teach it to you in a minute. So we start by marching, because that's what we're singing about. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. I want to be in that number. Oh, when the saints go marching in. So that's how the song goes. I'm going to teach you half of it, and then you're going to sing it back. So, oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Your turn. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, the saints go marching in. My turn. I want to be in that number. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Your turn. I want to be in that number. Oh, when the saints go marching in. So that's the whole song. I'm pretty sure you picked that up really well. Let's go from the beginning to the end. Ready? Let's start marching. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. I want to be in that number. Oh, when the saints go marching in. One more time. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go other songs. The final song that we need to learn is Swing Low, Sweet Chariot. Again, you might know this. So if you do, join in. If you don't, do not worry. So it goes like this. I'm going to sing it all the way through. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Brilliant if you've joined in. If not, I'm going to teach it to you now. So, swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Your turn. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. My turn. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Your turn. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Brilliant. Let's have a go all the way from the beginning of Swing Low, Sweet Chariot. Swing. 1, 2, 3. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Well done. Now let's have a go at putting When the Saints Go Marching In, followed by Swing Low, Sweet Chariot, and then we finish with I Want to Sing, Sing, Sing. As I said before, make up your own dance moves if you want, or just copy mine. So we're going to start marching. Oh, when the Saints, ready? Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, when the Saints go marching in. Oh, when the Saints go marching in. I want to be in that number. Oh, when the Saints go marching in. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. So I want to sing. I want to sing, sing, sing. I want to dance, dance, dance. I want to sing. I want to dance. Hallelujah. When the gates are open wide, I'll be standing by your side. I want to sing. I want to dance. Hallelujah. Well done. That requires so much concentration, dance moves, singing. Brilliant work, everyone. Now remember, you can put them together like we did just then, or maybe you've got family around. One person can sing one song, another person another song, and the third person another song, and then you can put it all together like a big mashup. So thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to be back again tomorrow at 1 p.m. Keep practicing the songs, and I might even teach you a new song tomorrow. Thank you so much. Goodbye.